Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact place you want to change and making a backup. This prevents accidental breakage. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties so you can find objects and settings quickly. You should also duplicate workspace or save a version to revert if needed. Now locate Starter Player in Explorer. That's where most player collision settings live. These first steps let you work safely and keep context while you make the collision changes. You'll create a script that runs when a character spawns because you want changes applied dynamically. Once done, connect to players. Player added and character added, then set humanoid root part. Can collide to false to stop physical blocking. Make sure to loop through character, get descendants, and set can collide equals false for base part objects to catch accessories and limbs. Also set humanoid. Platforms stand appropriately if you need different physics. This approach ensures collision is disabled reliably for every player. Finish by testing in play and server play solo to confirm results. You want consistent behavior on server authoritative runs. If characters still bump into world geometry, adjust problematic map parts by setting their can collide to false or assign them to a separate collision group with no interaction. If you see jitter or falling through floors, revert some parts to collide and use collision groups for selective interactions. That reduces unintended physics. One tip: enable output and watch for errors from your script to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.